Has it happened to you that you wake up in the morning tired? You want to drink coffee, but you don't have a coffee machine. Well, we are gonna teach you how to make coffee. First of all, we need a pot and pour 2 water cups on it. Afterwards, grab the coffee and put 6 spoons of it. As you can see, we're gonna put 6. After we put the 6 spoons of coffee, we want to turn on the gas, put it on medium stove, and wait for 5 minutes till it boils. Afterwards, you want to put 5 to 4 full spoons of sugar. Bruh. Afterwards, we're going to stir the coffee for 1 minute. Like the cool blue light. 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 There it is, we are all done. Now all you gotta do is put the coffee into a cup, but since I am picky and I like my coffee with milk, we also are gonna teach you how to, make it with milk. Put 3 to 4 spoons of powder milk. After turning in the powdered milk inside the coffee, you will grab your whisk and mix it around until it makes bubbles. And that is the result of coffee.